Hi, my name's Chloe. I'm a counsellor and trainer, and I'm here to talk to you about my workshops on sexuality and gender. And I want to talk to you about what makes my courses different from other ones. Um, and the first thing is that they are online. Now, I know as a counsellor myself that one thing we can be short of is time, and it's very difficult sometimes to fit in our training, even though it's really important. We want to be able to do it. So, by doing it online, we can do it from the comfort of our own home. And many people have told me that they're not so keen on online trainings because they don't get round to doing them, and there's lots of reading, and they buy a course and then they might not do it. This one is different. This one is live. We have a 2.5 hour workshop together as a group with me there and with other counsellors. We get to learn together. There will be tasks, and there is virtual groups. The platform we use means that we can go together into different groups and discuss the different topics that we come across. We can discuss case studies, and we can do role playing. So that'll build your confidence in working with sexuality and gender in the counselling room. They're really fun and really accessible, and gives you that opportunity to learn with others like you would if you were in a room doing training together. And also, what's great about these workshops is once you've done the course, you'll be invited to join a free Facebook group, which is a support group with myself in it and other people who have done the courses before and other people who are in your group, where you can continue the conversations in building that confidence in asking each other questions and sharing resources, so we can keep the learning going. If this sounds like the sort of thing you'd like to give a go, then please do get in touch, and I look forward to meeting you in the next one. Okay, take care.